Community.
Good morning.
I hope everybody had a fabulous night. I pretty much went to sleep after the live. I was so tired.
Cool.
I'm still tired this morning. Haven't heard about my MRI yet. And I have physical therapy today, but I know I need to go, I know I should go, but I am having extreme nausea issues today. And I'm still waiting for the referral for the gastro doctor to come through. I'm thinking we should probably call Dr. T-Bolt to I'm thinking we should probably call Dr. T-Bolt to just double check to make sure she put that in and didn't forget, because we were talking so much about my shoulder.
Mm-hmm.
So. Hey, can I have a kiss? She doesn't like kissing me when we're on camera. Are you shy? Are you shy?
Oh, wow. Oh.
And that doesn't feel real good on my shoulder when she does that. So, I don't know what to do.
I'm going to leave it up to you. I'm not going to help you with this.
I know, you think I need to go.
I do, but if you don't want to go, that's...
It's not that I don't want to go. I feel miserable.
I know.
You know, and going out right now, feeling the way I feel, just does not sound like it's something I want to do.
Mm-hmm.
So, I don't know. I need to take something for my nausea, and did you give me Tylenol already?
I did. I gave you Tylenol. I'll get you some nausea medication, and I will be in the basement.
You're going to your man cave?
I am, because you're watching stuff I don't want to watch, and I have things to do. I'm going to probably try and assemble my table saw, find a place for it for now, and so we could start redoing the whole basement.
Sounds like a plan, Stan.
Alright, back down into the basement. I'm going to assemble my table saw. I had to take apart just to get into that dinky door. So that's basically all I think I'm going to get done today. I'm not going to be able to get it running because I cannot find the belt that runs from the motor to the blade. There's other parts that I don't quite know where all the parts are as well. Like the bolt holds on the blade. I don't know if you can see that or not. I remember putting it somewhere safe, but of course I don't remember where that is. But I will put this together pretty much in the middle of this room. Make sure it's balanced and set up, yeah, like the other one. And that's not going to rock, because I'm sure it's kind of rocky right now. And I'm going to have to buy a new belt and find the bolt parts. Then I can start cutting up some plywood to make some shelves and really get going in here. together. Got my T2 fence on. It's not the best table saw in the world, but it is does the job. Does a nice clean cut. 1.5 horsies. I have a whole bunch of points for leveling it, which it is not at this point. I probably won't even level it until after I get the shelves up, because those cuts are not that important to me. They just need to be kind of okay. I still have to buy a belt for that and find where I put all my blades, and then I can do something.
Hey guys.
Wake up! Come on, wake up.
I took a nap.
I know.
I'm tired. But I'm tired because I took one of those.
Nausea pills, yeah.
There's one medication in the world that'll make me sleep. And that doesn't matter where my mania is at. That medication knocks me out. And that's my Phentergan, which is for my nausea. And I took two of those today, right?
Mm-hmm.
I took 2 of those today because the nausea is just out of control for some reason today. So I just woke up. It's going on 9, and I'm gonna get ready to go live here. And I'm gonna be yawning in everybody's face. So what did you do?
I assembled my table saw, put out trash, cut up cardboard again.
I know I saw you. I heard you. You in the basement for a while doing stuff. Ugh. You know that TV is. Where is it in the basement? Is it like right below me?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's loud.
Uh-huh. Actually, it's right below the other room over here.
Oh, can you hear this TV down there?
Sometimes.
Because I can hear your TV. I can make out what your TV is saying, pretty much. I really can. It's funny. So.
Okay.
I'm just. So. Anyway, I think that's about it. Do you have anything else?
That's it.
I had to add that yawn in. Sorry. So, she's been sleeping all day with me. Let's see if she'll wake up. We're going to go ahead and call it an evening. Shake it off. Sneeze. Yawn. We hope you... Sneeze. There's the sneeze. Yawn. No yawn? We're going to go ahead and call it an evening. We hope you enjoyed a little bit of something. You may have seen the video today. If you want to take it away, Angel! We'll see you tomorrow. Ta-ta for now. Goodbye. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Stretch, stretch, stretch. I love you. I love you. I love you. All right. Now you're gonna yell at me? I'm sorry.
They're fighting. What can I say? Bye.